Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix TurboTax error codes quickly and easily. Yeah, if you're seeing an error code while using TurboTax, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to submit your return, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you check a few key things. So first, note the exact error code displayed. Each code points to a specific problem, so knowing it helps you troubleshoot efficiently. Next, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Yeah, updates often fix bugs and compatibility issues that trigger error codes. Running the latest version ensures your e-file and features work correctly. After that, check your internet connection. An unstable or slow connection can cause errors during online filing or updates, so a reliable connection is essential. Also, review your tax return for mistakes. Even a small typo, missing field, or incorrect social security number can trigger an error code, so double check names, numbers, and filing status. And yeah, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall programs. Sometimes security software blocks TurboTax from completing tasks, which leads to error codes. Finally, if the issue persists, restart your computer and try again, or contact TurboTax support with your error code. Most of the time, these steps will resolve the problem and get everything working smoothly. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.